Hello, everyone. Let's talk about the importance of maintaining best practices when it comes to passwords. If all goes well, by the end of this session, you'll be thinking twice about using password 123 for your next password. Let's start. Strong password management is crucial in today's digital world. Weak or reused passwords can easily lead to breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive data. To illustrate the consequences, let's take a look at the infamous Yahoo data breach. In 2013 and 2014, Yahoo suffered two massive data breaches. The breaches affected billions of user accounts, and many of those users had weak or reused passwords. As a result, Yahoo's reputation suffered, the company faced multiple lawsuits, and its acquisition by Verizon was delayed and renegotiated with a reduced price. This example demonstrates the importance of proper password management. Now, let's walk through some password management best practices. Create strong and unique passwords. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Firstly, avoid using personal information or common words in your passwords. This makes it harder for hackers to guess your credentials. Secondly, use a different password for each account. If one account is compromised, the others remain secure. Thirdly, update your passwords regularly, especially for sensitive accounts like email and banking. Then, consider using a password manager to help you keep track of your passwords securely and efficiently. Finally, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring you to verify your identity using a second factor, such as a text message or authentication app. By following these password management best practices, you'll be playing a vital role in protecting our organization and your personal data. Remember, robust password management combined with MFA can make a world of difference in keeping our digital world safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and let's keep those passwords safe.